Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another video of RC in Motion. Today we are going way back. Way back to the beginning. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna start by the basics here. If you're a beginner, if you just received your ready to run or your kit, how do you plug things in? That is what we're talking about on Tech Tuesday. So for today's video, we're gonna start with the basics. Let's start off with the basic. Of course, this is gonna be your radio. This is what most guys or new people to the hobby call a controller. So it's your radio, and here you're going to have your receiver. Now your receiver is where you plug all of your electronics. Here we have your electronic speed controller, or ESC, which is the device that regulates the amount of power that goes to your electric motor. It can be brushed or brushless. This is going to regulate that power. So the ESC interrupts the signal from the receiver, which we already explained right here, to provide a variation in the motor speed, whether you go slow or you just gun it. Okay, and it'll act as a brake as well, so we all know that. Here we have your lithium polymer battery, or LiPo for short, and we are going to see how all this connects. So if you're new to the hobby and you're wondering where to plug everything, here you have your servo, which is going to turn your wheels, and here you have your electronic speed controller and your brushed motor. But this is just the basics, like I said. So in the RC or radio control community, we have a saying that says 1 to turn, 2 to burn. Simple as that, okay? So you take your servo or your steering and you want to connect it to channel 1 of your receiver. Here, your electronic speed controller, we are going to plug it into channel 2. So, channel 1, channel 2. And once all this is plugged in, we can go ahead and plug in our LiPo or nickel metal hydride, whatever battery you have at home. And once we plug it in, you want to make sure you turn your radio on first. Now we have power. And that's how it all works, guys. This is as simple as it gets. Remember that saying, 1 to turn, 2 to burn. And that's it. Again, this is just the basics for those who were asking how to plug in your equipment into the receiver and pretty much what is the radio. On the next Tech Tuesday, we could be talking about the channels. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again for subscribing and liking. Till next time.